Ano, parang masarap niya.
It is
Excite
masarap.
na ako. Di ba di ako makausap? Masarap siya.
I know, right? Hi, I'm Chef Christian.
Hello, good morning. I'm Chef Teresa.
Welcome to Food Talk, where we simplify cooking for you. And today we're making
Smashed burger tacos. So, traditionally, si smashed burger, usually nilalagyan siya ng whip doon sa mismong patty para mag-flatten up siyang mabuti. Doon kasi mas nagkakaroon ng crust evenly yung patty natin. So, ayan. I'm just seasoning our ground beef. Chef Christian, anong next na gagawin natin dito sa ating ground beef?
So we're gonna boil the ground beef. Siguro, like this size is okay.
So, madali lang pala siyang gawin.
Yes, it is very, very easy to make. You can actually do this with your kids during the weekend. We made 9 balls of ground beef. So now we're actually smashing ground beef sa ating tortilla.
So, kahit bali-balik ta rin natin siya,
Yep.
nakadikit na yan siya.
Yes, just like that. We're gonna fry our beef upside down.
Di mo siya kailangan lagyan ng oil.
No need to put oil kasi once na nag-render na yung ating beef, maglalabas siya ng natural oil. Gusto mo na ng reveal? 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's what we want.
Ayan, perfect na.
Perfect, right?
So, Chef, can you tell me, ano yung mga nilagay ko dito sa mga sauces?
For the sauce, we actually use mayonnaise, ketchup, at least 2 tablespoons of our caramelized onion dun sa ating sauce. And of course, ating Bournier Dijon mustard. One good thing about our Dijon mustard is that hindi siya ganun ka-anghang. Yan, season lang with salt and pepper and we're good with the sauce.
Mag-start tayo dito sa ating sauce na may onion.
Yeah, so while you are doing that, I'm actually warming the pan again. Medyo matagal gumawa ng caramelized onion. You can use fresh white onion, more cheese, more milk.
O, Chef, bala ka na dyan kung paano mo siya isasara.
Okay. So, kailangan meron pa ding
Space.
space.
Lutuin natin lahat yan.
Yes, of course.
Ano, parang masarap niya.
It is
Excite
masarap.
na ako.
Are you ready to eat?
Excited na ako.
Yeah, you are. Okay.
Gorgeous.
Cheers. Let's go.
Sobrang bagay.
Actually, yeah, nag-complement yung balsamic natin. Lahat actually really so good. Very easy to make, very affordable pa. You should try it at home. Yeah, there you go.
Di ba di ako makausap? Masarap siya.
I know, right?